Okay, so Bidmas is the rule that covers the order of operations in a sum where you have mixed signs and symbols. So it's important to remember the priority. So your first thing you do is deal with anything that's in brackets. The second thing you do is deal with any indices or integers. So these are the little 2 for squared or the little 3 for cubed, or square roots as well. They come in there. In joint third position are division and multiplication. Now, sometimes people think you have to divide before you multiply. That is not the case. You do them in the order that they appear in the sum when reading the sum from left to right. So if multiplication appears first, do that first and do your division after. You do not have to divide before you multiply. And the same is true for addition and subtraction. They are in joint fourth place. They are done in the order that they appear in the sum, okay? You don't have to do addition before subtraction. You do them in the order that they appear in the sum. So we're going to work through this example. This is quite a convoluted sum, the example here. So the first thing we're going to deal with is our brackets, okay? So we have 2 sets of brackets and we'll deal with them both individually. So 4 plus 2 is 6. And I'm going to rewrite the sum, okay? Because each time I take a step, I'm going to rewrite the sum because it keeps my workings organized and means I won't miss a step. So this becomes 6 and everything inside that bracket was squared, divided by 9, minus, and inside this second set of brackets here, I had 3 take away 2, which is 1. So I've dealt with my brackets, tick. And in the test, it doesn't hurt to write Bidmas down and cross off each thing as it goes. Now, the next thing I need to look at are indices, and I have those here. So I would do 6 squared, first of all. So this becomes 36, divided by 9, minus 1. So I've dealt with my indices. Now I need to deal with any division I have. So I have division here, where I have 36 being divided by 9. Well, 36 divided by 9 is 4. Take away the 1, and again, just being methodical, tick off, I've done my division. I have no multiplication, okay, so that's fine, that's gone. I have no addition, so that's fine, and I just have subtraction left, and 4 take away 1 is equal to 3. So it's very, very important that you follow each step methodically, avoid the temptation to take shortcuts. Yes, this looks like an awful lot of working out, but if you weren't talking over it, it actually doesn't take that long. And it means you keep your ideas and your steps clear and you are methodical in the way you work through the test, work through the question.